My All-American canner has a slightly different valve on the top than my regular ones. My basic Presto canners have a vent, and then they have a weight that goes right on top of it. Whereas the All-American has a toggle lever. It's called a Petcock, which actually looks like it's Petcock, but I guess it's a French word, so it's pronounced just a little bit differently. Now, it's kind of interesting in that there's nothing you set on top of it. The way it works, though, is when you have the toggle pointed up, that is open. When you have the toggle pointed down, that is closed. And so sometimes it can be a little bit confusing for people when they switch from the other kind of canner to this one to know exactly how it works. Now, there are some people who choose to actually remove this kind, and there's another kind of weighted one that you can get for the All-American, and it's pretty easy to replace if you want to do that. But this is actually fairly easy to use, and then you just adjust your pressure using your dial and adjusting the heat from the stove itself. So again, the hardest thing to figure out is when it's open and when it's closed. So up is open, down is closed.